Business as we know it is no longer business as we know it. Today's companies must be more dynamic than ever before, able to anticipate change, make rapid, informed decisions, and recognize opportunities fast.
Modern ERP systems have built-in intelligent technologies, including AI, machine learning, and advanced analytics, to not only work with your business right now, but to support you wherever the future takes you.
With this depth of visibility, this level of real-time insight, companies can know not just what's happening across their business,
but why it's happening as it's happening.
With the power of intelligent digital technologies, today's ERPs are able to analyze, learn, and predict.
Letting business seize opportunities and spot risks faster than ever.
Across finance, manufacturing, supply chain, and all your core business systems.
Even just a few years ago, finance departments could spend weeks preparing reports.
Today's ERPs deliver a live, consolidated view of all financial data across the business.
Which means that reports and analytics are ready.
Now, not 2 weeks from now.
The financial data is live.
And you're running reports in real time.
A modern ERP system is the brains behind your company's digital transformation.
And when you make the move to digital, you have the responsiveness, speed, and resilience that you'll need to compete, grow, and succeed
from today on. So, really?
What are you waiting for?